Yo, what's up, guys? Back again with another unboxing. So, look what came in the mail today. They went overboard on the tape. Not complaining. Just noticing how much tape there is. Yeah, all the way from Florida. Right, we're in. Big box doesn't necessarily mean big car, but in this case, it is a big car. Kind of heavy. Let me get this box out of the way and then I'll put it up there. Anything else? Nope, that's it. Alright. So, here it is. Lost this tape. So, I don't know why it came with an Arma wing, because that is not part of this car. This might be. This is somebody adapting because the other wing is gone. Okay, so this is part of the car, I think. Oh, this is good. This has got some Vidavon parts to it. So this thing's like serious business. This is a Losi 5. And I'm definitely going to have to get a big fat servo for this. And I already have a big fat motor for it. And what? Does it not have a pinion or a spur on it? Or is it in this center transmission is what I'm getting at. Oh, it's got to be in there. Sure. Never mind. I'll have to figure out what is in there by taking it apart, of course. And yeah, I kind of wonder like what I want to put in this thing. I already have an ESC that I can run. Boy, depending on I wonder if I couldn't run that new 12S Castle motor in here. I don't have one, but I know where to get one. What's this? What's that for? That runs all the way back here. What is that wire for? Oh, I don't know, that's very different. Boy, what other little goodies did I get? That is for wing, probably. Yeah, that's all that crap is for. Battery trays. What was that? That was one of the wheel nuts coming off, so I guess I need a pin for that. So, is it just a pin, or is it... yeah, it is a pin. I'll have to figure that one out, because they didn't give me one in here. And it is on that side, but maybe it's in the box. It's possible. Worst case, I gotta get a pin. That's not that big of a deal. Looks like this thing has got Taylor RC wheel nuts on it. Yeah, Taylor RC. So that might be what I need to go look into for finding wheels for this thing. Because I don't think I have anything that's big enough for this, unless it's for like X-Max size, which this technically is, I think. This is 5th scale. Fox shocks on there. And there is a size of nut on here that I do not have a wrench for, which that's interesting. I think it's a 10, oddly enough, or an 11. I won't know until I measure it. But it's got some 8s. Yeah, it's got 8s up front, so they use some really large hardware on this truck. So wheels and tires and a big fat servo. Honestly, if there's room, I could probably put 2 servos in there and then have more steering power. But probably one's good enough. I just need to make sure it's like 100 kg or something like that. That should be more than enough and should be lightning fast too. All in all, I think this is a fairly light vehicle. The Vidavon parts that have been installed are just like the right ones to do too. I can't tell what that is. Yes, it's a combination build. So there's Vidavon aluminum and here and here. Taylor RC. This just might come aluminum from Losi. Steel drive shafts. All the drive cups look like they're good. I'm missing some boots, but that's not that big of a deal. That is not a necessity. It's more of a creature comfort in some sense, and it does provide a nice function. It does eliminate a lot of gunk and goop getting into things. So I wonder, yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna have to play with this with the camera off and see what I wrap my brain around. Yeah, there's some large hardware on here. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some wrenches too, some new wrenches. I don't want to be using my Craftsman stuff that is actual automotive stuff that I use for automotive work, but I want to have my own set of stuff I use for RC. So yeah, kind of cool that I get to go buy some new tools. Yeah, too bad that pin is not in here. I'm gonna check the box. That's the best thing to do. It is here, yay. Alright, so I'll put that in, and then we'll call this video done after that. I really would like these to be like threaded pins or something. That'd be so much better. Yeah, did a little bit of shipping and changed everything. Cool. So yeah. Oh, and a body. Gotta get a body for this thing too. Being this is kind of like a buggy style, maybe something like that. I could technically do kind of like a rock crawler thing. Yeah, it's gonna have like a 24 or 25 horsepower motor in it when all said and done. I might get a T&P and see how much of a motor I can get, you know. I'll have to measure like how much space I have. Yeah. I wish they gave me just a little bit more space. It's like the center brace is just not quite where I want it. But yeah, this is such a cool truck. So this is in the queue there, guys. It's just a matter of time. I'm definitely going to be playing with it because there are just certain things that don't look like they are in the right spots. Anywho, thanks for swinging in on this one, and we'll see you on the next one.